Hi. Today, let us study how the plant obtains carbon dioxide. So, in the earlier classes, we had studied about stomata. So, stomata are tiny pores on the surface of the leaves, and they are found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs of plants. So, see, this is the picture of stomata. So, this is the open stomata, and this is closed stomata. So see, these are God cells. Kidney shaped cells we can call God cells. See here, see, the God cells are shrinked in closed stomata. In the case of open stomata, it is swollen. So stomata. So stomata are tiny pores on the surface of leaves. They are the tiny pores. They are found on the surface of the leaves of plants. They are found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs of plants. They are found in the epidermis of leaves, stems, and other organs of plants. And massive amount of gas exchange take place in leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis. So for photosynthesis, the gases exchange take place through the pores. So photosynthesis need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide plus water is equal to we will get C6H12O6. So this is the formula of photosynthesis. So for photosynthesis, the plants need gases exchange. So these gases exchange take place through the leaves. So through the stomata, these gases exchange take place. And massive amount of gas exchange take place in the leaves through these pores. So let's see the picture of stomatal pores. So these are the pores, stomatal pores. So this is open stomata and this is closed stomata. So here you can see a long or large pores are you can see in the open stomata. But in the case of closed stomata, you can see a narrow stomatal pore. So these stomatal pores are bordered by a pair of specialized parenchyma cells known as God cells. So these are the stomatal pores. These are the stomatal pores, and these stomatal pores are bordered by a pair of parenchyma cells, and this parenchyma cells known as God cells. See, these are God cells. So parenchyma, specialized parenchyma cells that are present on the stomatal pore is known as God cells. So the opening and closing depends upon the turgor changes in God cells. So based on the turgor changes. So based on the turgor changes in God cells. These are the God cells. This is closed stomata and this is open stomata. So based on the turgor pressure inside the God cells, the opening and closing. So the opening and closing depends upon the turgor changes in God cells. When God cells are turgid, when God cells turgid, the stomata open. When God cells flaccid. What is the meaning of flaccid? Flaccid means, what is the meaning of flaccid? Flaccid means, so flaccid means drooping or inelastic. So when the God cells When the guard cells become turgid, the stomata open. And when the guard cells become flaccid, that means there is no water in the guard cells, that become closed. So, based on the turgor pressure inside the guard cells, inside the guard cells, stomata open and close. So, this is mainly based upon the entry of water flows. So, turgor pressure, when the guard cells become turgid means water enters into the guard cells. Here, in this case, water will H2O molecules, that means water will enters into the guard cells. So because of water entering into the guard cells, the guard cells become turgid. So the stomatal pores opens. When water remove or they move out from the guard cells, it become flaccid. Because of flaccid, the stomata closes. So stomata are tiny pores on the surface of the leaves, and they are found in the epidermis of leaves, stems and other organs of plants. Massive amount of gases exchange take place in the leaves through these pores for the purpose of photosynthesis, and the pore is bordered by a pair of specialized parenchyma cells known as guard cells. They are responsible for regulating the size of the stomatal opening. The opening and closing of the pore is a function of guard cells. The guard cells swell when water flows them and causing the stomatal pore to open. Similarly, the pores closes if the guard cells shrink. The opening and closing depends upon the turgor changes in guard cells. When the guard cells are turgid, stomatal pore is open, while in flaccid condition, the stomatal aperture closes. Since large amount of water can also be lost through these stomata, the plant closes these pores when it does not need carbon dioxide for photosynthesis.